Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor and pleasure for me to welcome you all to Fiji to attend the Executive Board meeting of the International Weightlifting Federation prior to the official opening ceremony of these championships and the competition on the afternoon of the 1st of June 2019. Now, a very warm welcome to that also to the International Weightlifting Federation and their colleagues, members, who were here in Suva in 2016. So good to see you. I'm very pleased to see a number of familiar faces and to welcome you back to Suva and Fiji. So, as you know, Fiji is a very small country with a population base of approximately 850,000 people. And for many of the executive members and representatives from 49 countries here represented, you may sometimes find it difficult to find Fiji on any map, often labeled and referred to as a very tiny dot in the Pacific Ocean. And many years ago, our beloved Fiji piloted the use of global positioning GPS system in our local aircraft, a system that eventually has become the standard operating system for all airlines around the world. Now, thanks to this technology, you have all managed to arrive here safely after many long hours of travel over long distances. Now, during your stay here, you'll notice that we have quite a diverse population, with representation from most of the Pacific Islands and beyond, apart from the indigenous people of this country. The one thing we all have in common that strongly binds us as a people and a nation is our interest in sports and the passion which we have in following our national teams, whether they compete here locally or overseas in international sporting events. Now, in the Rio Olympic Games of 2016, we won for the first time in our history a gold medal in the shortened version of the International Rugby Board's Rugby Code, which is the Sevens Rugby. Now, just last weekend, our national team won the London Sevens tournament and is one of 4 teams, I've been told, that are now qualified to play in next year's Olympic Games in Tokyo. Moreover, our Girls Sevens Rugby team now leads the International Rugby Board's 2018-2019 World Rugby Series. The last tournament will be played in Paris this weekend. If you're here long enough to spend the weekend, you may not find too many Fijians wandering the streets when the games are on. They'll be glued to the front of their TV, really spoiling the progress of our teams. Now, our national women's netball team have qualified also to play in the World Championships to be held in England in July. The national women's hockey team has also qualified to play in round 2 of the International Hockey Federation World Series in mid-June in Hiroshima in Japan, one of the 3 qualified tournaments for the Tokyo Olympic Games. And in early July, over 500 athletes and officials will be traveling to Apia, Samoa to take part in the Pacific Games, in which 8 sports are qualifying events for the Tokyo Olympic Games. Australia and New Zealand will be competing with the Pacific Islanders in these 8 sporting events, which include weightlifting. Now, when it comes to sports, and on this occasion weightlifting, Fiji always prides itself as a small country with a relatively small population base, but is capable of very common phrase which is widely used all over the world by our Prime Minister, that we punch above our weight. Now, Fiji aspires to become a regional training center for sports, and we are also prepared to host the future Pacific Games, which will make it the 4th time we have hosted this continental game since the first games were launched here in 1963. Now, in 2017, Fiji beat to host the 2019 IWF World Youth Championships, and we were very proud and equally grateful when the International Weightlifting Federation awarded Weightlifting Fiji the opportunity to host the event. Now, the decision to host this year's International Weightlifting Federation Championships in our Waterfront Arena will not be so, sadly, for the renovations of this facility will not be completed until after the World League Championships. Now, this has caused some logistical problems, and on behalf of Fiji Sports, I would like to apologize for the resulting outcome, which necessitates the hosting of this event in a smaller facility. And nevertheless, we will work hard with our colleagues and friends from the weightlifting fraternity to provide the best conditions for the athletes attending this event each year to enable them to perform the best of their ability. Now, once again, sir, and senior officials, welcome to Fiji, and I wish you well in your deliberations today, and for the competitors, every success in the competition forward. To our visitors, please enjoy our traditional and unique Fijian hospitality, and thank you for raising our shores with your attendance. We've had a lot of rain over the last couple of weeks, and I was told the President that you must have got good weather with you. So now I will thank you, and may Almighty God bless you all, and I'm going to Fiji.
This great President, Mr. Shaprillo, how are you, sir? Thank you for coming. So nice to see you. The African President, how are you, Lydia?
Thank you.
From Hungary.
Oh, wow. Yes.
The director of the Federation.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.